Thank you very kindly, Honorable Speaker. My name is NDEGWA NJIRU. I'll be appearing together for the County Assembly of Meru County together with Mr. Mwangi NDEGWA, Mr. Mwirigi Eric Muriuki Advocate, Mr. Mweruru Boniface Mawira Advocate, and Mr. Mwenda Anthony Advocate. On the part of the appearance, Mr. Speaker, sir, for the County Assembly members, we have ourselves Mr. Ngure Benson Kenywa. We have Mr. Baptista Muriki Kanyaru. We have Linda Nkirote Kirinji. We appear together with them, but for the purposes of the County Assembly appearances, we have Honorable Zipora Kinya, MCA, Honorable Auleria Murangiri Kirimana, MCA, Irene Kawira Kamencho, MCA. Those are the appearances, Mr. Speaker, sir. I am most humbled.
Thank you. All the honorable senators, Senator Faki, take your seat, please. And I invite